Dollywood is building the first launched wooden roller coaster for its 2016 season. Lightning Rod will be a 3-minute experience with a top speed of 73 miles per hour and a 165-foot initial drop. Built by Rocky Mountain Construction and themed to the hot rods of the 1950s, the coaster will feature 12 airtime moments as well as 2 overbank turns. At the 2015 IAAPA Attractions Expo in Orlando, Dollywood provided construction footage of the new coaster as well as a computer-animated POV of the entire ride. Let's take a look at what Lightning Rod is today and what it will be when it debuts in March 2016.